Okay guys, so it's very simple, but not really. You have to connect the red wire of the rear backing up light, so this one right here, and you go all the way through here, and you attach that to two things. One is the power to the camera, and the other one is the red wire that goes to the front, to the dashboard. So to this one right here, to this one right here, to the one connected to the back in yellow port here. So to me, I didn't try the back in yellow port. I tried one up higher. It says CBBSTN. This one up here, plus the red wire that comes out of here. It goes connected to the pink backing up light from the radio. So that's how I did it. It worked for me, and that's how you install the backup camera. Thank you.